Welcome back to another MedRevisions video. Today we'll discuss another November 2020 recall and also give you some helpful tips for the upcoming exams. So, let's dive right into the video. Now before we discuss the question, take 50 seconds to pause the video and comment the answer down below. Okay, so let's get to the question, shall we? We have a 44-year-old woman with rheumatoid arthritis who was treated with infliximab. She now presents to the emergency department with abdominal pain, temperature of 39.6, a pulse rate of 100 beats per minute. Full blood count was sent and bloods were taken for culture. What is the next most appropriate course of action? Okay, so the correct answer here is start intravenous broad-spectrum antibiotics. Okay, now before we discuss this question and the other options further, don't forget to smash that like button. And also comment down below on any other topics that you'd like us to cover next. Make sure you check out the reviews from our past PLAB candidates. The link is in the description below. So as I said, the correct answer here is start IV broad-spectrum antibiotics immediately, and that is because the patient is showing signs of neutropenic sepsis in this question, and we have to start antibiotics immediately, IV, not oral. Okay, now neutropenic sepsis is pretty common. It's a very common complication of cancer therapy resulting from chemotherapy. So we can see a temperature higher than 38 degrees and other signs like a neutrophil count of less than 0.5. Okay, and all of these points, including the management and anything else on neutropenic sepsis, is in our MedRevisions platform. So please go and check out those questions. And now let's discuss the other options. So wait for blood culture results to start antibiotics. No, you should not wait for the blood culture results when you suspect neutropenic sepsis. It is an emergency, so you should start IV antibiotics immediately. Start oral antibiotics. No, it should be IV, intravenous. Starting IV granulocyte color will not be necessary and it is a waste of time. Starting IV fluids will not address the sepsis here, but yes, we can give IV fluids, but the most appropriate course of action here is starting IV broad-spectrum antibiotics. Okay, so that was about neutropenic sepsis. I hope all of you found it helpful, and please do check out our MedRevisions platform for many other questions like this and other high-yield topics. So that would definitely help you pass the PLAB 1 exam. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by MedRevisions, your go-to resource for PLAB Part 1. Complete your revision with MedRevisions.